question I get is how long do pieces you make with air dry clay? How long does it take to dry? And there's no one answer for that. It depends on how thick the pieces are. So always 24 hours, but remember, clay is gonna shrink because the moisture is leaving by a good like 10%. So you wanna give it enough time. You'll know your clay is dry when it's not cold to the touch and it hardens. And so it depends on your climate, it depends on the time of year, it depends on how thick the pieces are. Pieces that are thicker are obviously gonna take longer to dry, and then pieces that are thinner, like this little rainbow I made, are gonna take a shorter amount. So always 24 hours, but honestly, give your clay time to dry. That's just part of the fun of working with clay. If you're not decorating it later, then it doesn't really matter how long it takes. And you don't wanna put it in the sun or let it dry too quickly. That's something I did. And you can see, because this piece is very thick and it's very uneven, it did crack, but it's a textured starfish, so I don't care about that. I don't think that all clay needs to look like a robot smooth. I love that clay has personality and texture to it, but slow is always best when working with clay.